Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me. For those that follow me regular, sorry I've been a little bit missing this week. I've had birthday parties and baby showers and all sorts of things, so I've just been super busy, but it's back to normal now. They're all done. So I'm here to share my latest kit, and there's two parts to this kit. There's the main kit and there is an add-on for this one because I got a little bit carried away in the creative process. So it will be available on my Ko-fi. All the links are in the description below, and it is available in UK size and US size. So make sure if you're purchasing that you select the correct one. Any problems, just shoot me an email and I'll help you out. It's not a problem. So the main kit has 25 pages and it's based around The Secret Garden, which is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful storybook, and it's one of my favourites from my childhood. So I shared some tasty pages over on my Facebook and everybody went wild for it, so I made a complete kit. So this was the one that inspired the whole kit. Beautiful. I did offer one very similar to this as a freebie, but this one has been altered. I've moved the writing over slightly. I've made it smaller so that when you fold the page over, the writing fits. Okay, so that's the first page, and then we'll go through them as fast as I can. There's another one with a lovely garden gate, and then here we've got Mary Lennox and the little boy in the story. Oh, they're not the real ones. This is from the original book. This is the US version book. This is Mary opening the garden gate there. Okay, and we've got this beautiful one. So it's all kind of based on the theme of The Secret Garden. Okay, then we've got a lovely collage sheet, and this one is a dark one. So you've got a lighter tone one and a more vintage grungy tone one, whichever you prefer. Okay, then by popular demand I've done some in portrait. So I've picked out some of my favourite parts of the images and put them on portrait instead of a landscape. So there we go, we've got a lovely collage. And this one here with this beautiful girl. Can't fit it all in. If I zoom out then the quality of the images is rubbish. So that one's the Mary at the gate. So if you're doing lap books or you want it on a cover or something like that, then you've got the images, you know, larger as well, as you know, because obviously it's been resized to fit. So those are all of the main kind of detailed pages. I don't normally do heavy detailed pages, so this is a beautiful kit. Then these are some pages for journaling, so you've got lots of room for writing. Okay, and we've got some lovely creatures on there. Beautiful, really lovely. And another one. And this one's got their lovely gates, but still plenty of room for writing. And then this one is a journal spread with butterflies. And this one is the frames plain, so you can completely journal. So you could print this out several times and have it as your main journaling page in and amongst the you know, the detailed pages. We've got this piece of ephemera here, and then I've done some background pages. So if you're doing, you know, you want to rip them up and collage with them, or you're doing a mini album, or you just want some plain coloured backgrounds, these colours and patterns will coordinate with all of those main images. Okay, so I've gone for the lilacs and then the like a sage green and beige sort of colour. Alright, so you've got 4 of those. And then we've got the envelope in this one. So that's 25 pages in total there. And then I have done an add-on. So some of the images are similar, some are different. So here we've got some small tags and labels. Beautiful. These are great for layering up, adding words, adding your, you know, bits and bobs too. And they've got a nice distinct border so that you can cut around them. This one's an extra journaling page with a keyhole to represent the garden gate. I think that's really cute. And then this one is just some ephemera, which is some like nature themed ephemera, and I've put some nice background to the images there. Then we've got our tags. You can't have a journal without tags, so I've used some of the images to create those ones. Then I have done some flashcards. with the Secret Garden collage in the background. So these are themed to go with the kit. Beautiful. Then we've got a trifold tag with some journaling in the middle. Okay. And then I've got a full page of lovely, lovely tickets. They've all got a nice border for fussy cutting, really simple to cut out, and they're all, every single one's got an individual beautiful image on. Those are really lovely. Then we've got some banners, just a few, and a lovely pocket. And then we've got some more like pockets and a smaller one. So these are nice to layer on larger pockets or to make things to put in tuck spots, etc. But they're just, look at those images, they're just beautiful. And then here we've got some little mini journaling cards with the, you know, backing paper to glue on the back. And we've got some 2-inch circles for you to punch out or cut out. They're really lovely. Some more pockets with different images on. So there's heaps in this. Heaps, 15 pages in the add-on kit. So go and have a look at my Ko-fi. My prices are super low. I am very, very reasonable with my prices. Some more journaling cards with a border and just a few words there. And these are some smaller mini, like money wallet type envelopes for you to cut out and tuck in your tuck spots and your pockets and wherever have you. And we've got some ephemera that I've made, which is an invoice. It's a seed invoice, and then I've added a lovely image onto that one. Beautiful. And then we've got some words. I've made mine quite large because I don't know about anybody else, but I can't be bothered cutting tiny little words out. So I've made mine quite large, so they'd be lovely. You could trim the border off if you want them smaller, but lovely for layering on your pockets and your tags and your whatever have you. So there we go. That's 15 pages of add-on and 25 pages in the main kit. As I say, in UK and US size, so make sure you pick the appropriate kit when you're making your purchase. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was due to popular demand to turn this into a full-size kit, so I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you will, if you purchase it and make, you know, your crafty items with it, out whatever it may be, I hope that you share them so I can see what you've made. Because I really enjoy seeing what people have created. It makes me feel really proud, and also I like to see what people make because I'm a little bit nosy. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again more than likely tomorrow. Bye for now.